To remove or replace the inner and outer brake cable, you first need to disconnect it from the back of the scooter. So first of all, snip off the end bit and then undo it. And that's it disconnected. You can then pull the cable through to release it. There's also a little clamp which you'll need to undo and remove. So that just secures it to the base of the scooter. Moving on to the side of the scooter, you can continually pull the cable, or continue to pull the cable through. Once you've removed the cable from the bottom of the scooter, you can actually see how it's actually routed through the stem of the scooter. So it actually goes behind the battery bracket, up to the top, and then through the top. So once you've disconnected it from the brake lever, it's just a matter of actually pulling it through the stem and out. That's it. You can then install a new brake cable, so it's best to do in and out at the same time. So the installation process is the reverse of the removal process. Install the cable and the brake lever, thread through the stem, but make sure you've got the bungs in place before you thread, or else you'll have to come back and do it all again. Once the cable's been pushed through the top of the stem from the front, there's a groove that you have to get it into. So you need to get it in the groove at the top before you push it through all the way down. So it goes just behind the battery mounting bracket. So if you just get it in at the top, just like we've got here, you'll then be able to push it down. So continue pushing down until you see the cable poke through, and then you go at the hole. You then be able to pull the cable through and then put the grommet in. Make sure you put the grommet in, or else you've got to come back and do it all again. So continue to thread the cable back through, not forgetting the grommet again. So continue threading it through the mounting bracket, and then back through the base of the scooter. So when you're pushing the cable through from the base of the scooter, you may find it comes the other side of the wheel. So instead of coming up through here, it comes through the other side. So you have to keep trying to here you see it coming through the bottom here, and you just poke it up through the hole.